If you've been putting off the build of your new home because of the fear of the unknown, let's just go through it real quick. I'm Brenna Patton with McKee Homes. I'm a sales consultant and I do Fayetteville and Rayford areas. And I'm going to go through the home buying and building process step by step. Step 1. Apply for a pre-approval from a lender. We offer special incentives if you use a preferred lender. Step 2. Pick a location. We have a list of neighborhoods to offer on our website. Step 3. This is where you pick your new home. We have a variety of open concept floor plans that suit any lifestyle. Step 4. Pick your home site in the neighborhood that you chose. Step 5. This is when you sign your contract. We can conveniently send it to you via email so you can sign anywhere in the world. Step 6. This is where you pay your deposit. We can conveniently email you to pay online. Step 7. Set up your design appointment within 2 weeks of signing your contract. This is where you personalize your new home. Step 8. Meet your builder. You will have 4 builder meetings throughout your home building process. Step 9. Sign your closing documents at the attorney's office. Congratulations! You are now a proud owner of a McKee home. We hope this shed light on the home buying and building process. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us from the contact info on the screen below.